Welcome back to our wild Ohio. Today, we unveil a hidden giant, a monument of man and nature, Hoover Dam. No, this isn't the famous Dam of the West, but something closer, something that whispers quietly in the heart of central Ohio. Most don't even know it exists, but today we revealed the secrets behind one of the state's most vital lifelines, named not for a president, but for two humble workers, Charles P. and Clarence B. Hoover, this towering concrete colossus, is a tribute to human ingenuity and the power of water. It was built not to hold back rivers, but to supply life itself to the heart of Ohio. 20 billion gallons of water rest behind this wall, the liquid pulse of Columbus and its people. Imagine it as a reservoir that stretches 5 miles long and a mile wide, holding enough water to quench the thirst of a city. The Hoover Dam isn't just a structure. It's a force of nature harnessed by human hands. Standing here atop this engineering marvel, you can hear the roar of the water, feel the spray in the air. It's like standing at the edge of the world itself. An indescribable sensation that grips you with the raw power of nature. A memory you'll carry with you forever. Hoover Dam isn't just about holding water. It's about holding time, holding energy, and feeding life to a region that relies on its bounty. For those who seek adventure on land or water, this park is a treasure trove. Miles upon miles of hiking trails snake through the trees, beckoning the explorer within. Kayakers and boaters glide across the serene reservoir, while fishermen test their luck in waters that hold secrets of their own. Although I've fished here many times, I never had much luck. Not to say that I haven't caught a few big ones, because I definitely have, just not many. There are several ideal places to pull over and fish from the bank, but my secret spot is under the next bridge after the dam. But it's not that accessible and isn't very comfortable to sit down there on the rocks. But that's where I caught the big ones. Construction began in 1953, and by 1955, this behemoth was born from the hands of men who dared to. But it wasn't until 1958 that the dam was officially opened, standing as a monument to perseverance, hard work. The park that surrounds it is a sanctuary for the solar place to birdwatch, paddle in tranquil waters, or simply stroll along its shore. It's a refuge from the rush of life, a place where time slows down and nature speaks to those willing to listen. So, whether you're an adventurer at heart, fisherman seeking the elusive catch, or simply someone who wants to feel the pulse of Ohio's lifeblood, Hoover Dam is waiting for you. A place of power, of peace, and of wonder. And now, next time you turn on your faucet, you'll know that water comes from a place where man and nature meet. Welcome to Hoover Dam, one of our wild Ohio's greatest marvels. Don't forget to subscribe, share your stories, and join us again as we continue to explore the haunting beauty of our wild Ohio. I'll leave you to enjoy more of the breathtaking scenery here at Hoover Dam. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you for watching our Wild Ohio. Please like and subscribe. Any support is greatly appreciated. Have a wonderful day.